So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the third video we are posting on our channel. So we have taken a trade on EURJPY. So we are recording this video on 12th Jan. So do you think we managed to hit our targets 1 is to 4, 1 is to 3 trade? Unfortunately, no. So I'll let you know the setup. So before that, I want to show you the entry price. Before the setup, I want to show you the entry price, the SL and the targets we have placed in our terminal. Let's go to the terminal, account history. We managed to book minus $26 in this. So I'll let you know the reason. So the price, look at the price, it's 142.513 and SL was 142.570 and the take profits was 142.250. So remember this, let's move into trading view. So this was the entry price, this was the SL, this was the target. So the reason for me for taking a $25 risk on this trade is that I want to build up a cushion on my account, and I was not pretty much sure on this trade actually, to be frank. So I took it point 0.5 trade, and actually I was aiming for a 4 hour trade. See, whenever I take a point 0.5 hour trade, the only reason I'll keep a longer hours is because I want to capture a good move as well as a good R multiples. So if we take a full 1 hour trade, so we could partially book our trades around 2 hour, but I want to, book profits at 4 hour, a strict rule that I follow. So as you see, the price never came down till my SL. The SL was here, so the price came down to 142.55 or 54 somewhat. So we missed our SL by only 2%. Sorry, 2 pips, but I don't know what was the reason due to slippage or something. The price has been taken out. The SL has been taken out. So currently we can see a spread of 1.5. So that might be the reason. Yeah, I took out my SL and there's a quite drop down, a crazy drop down on this. See, it's around 1 is to 10, 1 is to 14 hour trade. But okay, it's part of the game. We can't do nothing about it. What has happened has happened. So we have to focus on our process. I'll show you in the terminal as well. So around this area I've taken entry. So this green line was the SL. So the price never came, but the terminal shows I got my SL triggered. That's okay. It's all part of the game. It happens. It happens a lot of times as well. Uh, so I'll show you the setup. What was the reason? Let's move into higher time frame quickly, and I'll show you. So uh, this order block or the supply area has caused a good impulse move on the downside. So considering this, I want to use my fib levels. So from top to bottom, we can see a clear rejection at zero point 0.5. So considering this, I've taken the trade as well. And and this area we see a higher time frame change of character which has happened. This has caused a huge downside. So let's move into lower time frame into 15 minutes. And I see a pretty much liquidity buildup which was happening. So yeah, this trend line, if you could see a trend line, so there are a lot of liquidity beneath this. So the price came all the way into higher time frame supply and caused a change of character. Let's move into 5 minutes. The origin of the move has caused from here. So there's a change of character which has happened. I could say, okay, this was a change of character, but I usually mark at this lows. This is what habit I have. So usually I understand all these things. So this downside has taken out this lows as well as almost took out this lows, but my point of interest was this area, this supply area. So I waited till the price do something causing taking out this lows as well. So I entered at this area. This was my point of interest. This was ASL, and the target was 4.2, 4.1 hour kind of trade. But It happened. Nevertheless, it's all part of the game. We have to move on with it. So pretty much we are done with $25. I'll show you my funded account on this. So we are only profitable by $58. So 3 days trading overview. So we have to do around $1,500 as a profit target, keeping all the rules and risk management in place. So currently we are win rate is 50%. That's fine. Let's not bother about all these things. Let's focus on our process. Stay disciplined. The one good thing about funded challenges are this: any of the platforms that you learn about risk management. That's for quite sure. If you fuck up with your risk management, you're gonna lose your money. Very simple. The amount you paid for the funded accounts, you'll lose it. So that helped me in my risk management. I quite fucked up with my risk management in Indian stock markets, but this forex market helps me to regain all these things and stay disciplined. So I'll give you an update. That's okay. We'll give you an update on any other trades as well. So pretty much, thank you guys. So if you like this content, please do leave your valuable feedback. That helps me out. And any good traders out there, you can help me out if I'm missing out or doing anything wrong in this. So it helps me a lot. So thank you guys. Do follow my Instagram account as well. So I'll be posting all the details as well on that page as well. So thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.